What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this stunning Alpine blue Alpine A110 in for Xpel Track Pack PPF, our level 2 Ceramic Pro protection package, as well as coating the underside of the vehicle. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, and if you do need any detailing products, head over to nldcc.co.uk as we're currently running our Easter sale. Let's get on with the video. So as you can see, this car's come directly to us from Alpine in Solihull on a covered trailer. This ensures it's in the best possible condition for us to start working on the car. We start off by using our NLD citrus cleaner to break down any of the heavier bits of dirt that are on the car, in the arches, as well as the undercarriage. Once that's been washed off, we can go ahead and apply our Foam Plus, which will also help lift up any of the surface dirt. Now that the car's been thoroughly cleaned, we can pull it inside, get the PPF cut out on our in-house plotter, and then we can start applying the Track Pack PPF. With our Track Pack PPF package, the bonnet, bumper, wings, wing mirrors, side skirts and rear impact areas will all be protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus. With the Track Pack PPF now applied, we can take the wheels off the car and lift it in the air so we can coat the entire undercarriage with Ceramic Pro Strong. With the undercarriage now coated, this should help the underside of the car stay cleaner for longer, as the dirt and grime from the roads will find it difficult to stick to the car. Whilst the wheels are off the car, we can now coat the arches and calipers with Wheel&Caliper before applying it to the faces and barrels of the wheels. With our multi-stage paint correction, we'll go around the car with a mixture of the Roops 5-inch polisher and the Flex Nano polisher, just to remove any imperfections before applying the Ceramic Pro 9H. As this is in for our level 2 package, this will receive 4 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, which is why you'll see us coating panels more than once before buffing off. Once the 4 layers of 9H have been applied, we need to leave that to cure for a while before applying the Ceramic Pro top coat. With the 4 layers of 9H now applied and left to cure, we can go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro top coat. Now that the Xpel Track Pack PPF has been applied and the rest of the exterior painted surfaces have been protected with our level 2 protection package, that's this Alpine A110 now finished. Doesn't the Alpine blue paintwork look stunning? Thanks for watching this week's video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified when we next upload. Leave a comment in the comment section down below to let us know what you'd like to see in more detail, and we'll catch you in the next video.